Picture this, you're standing in the perfect spot and the light is just right and the moment is fleeting. But wait, which camera should you choose? Well, today we're going to be going through the difference between these two fantastic cameras, the Canon 5D Mark III and the Canon 760D. And we'll be putting them up against each other. So welcome back to the JC Photography Mallorca channel, where I share with you different tips and tricks to help you get better with your photography. So let's get started. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Jess, and today we're going to be comparing these two amazing cameras, the Canon 5D Mark III and the Canon 760D. In this video, I'll be sharing the difference between image quality, autofocus, and other features that photographers and videographers will be interested in. And also, I want to make this an interactive experience for you. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing with you in-depth insights that will encourage you to join the conversation and share your thoughts, preferences, and questions down in the comments below. So let's make this a very interesting community discussion, and your input matters. So watch to the end of the video to decide what camera you would choose. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's get started. The Canon 5D Mark III full-frame sensor promises exceptional detail and remarkable performance in low light. But don't underestimate the Canon 760D. Its APS-C sensor can deliver stunning results, and it's also very budget-friendly. But the only thing with this camera, it struggles a little bit in low light. But for this comparison for these two cameras, I would go with the Canon 5D Mark III, as it's better in low light conditions. But if you want a camera that's good for general vlogging and a camera in the daytime, then I would go with the 760D, as the quality still holds up in the daytime. But what factor is crucial to you when it comes to image quality? Sharpness, dynamic range, or color accuracy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's talk autofocus. The 5D Mark III has a whopping 61 autofocus points, providing precision in even really challenging circumstances. Meanwhile, the Canon 760D has a respectable 19 autofocus points, which is great for general photography. But if you want a more professional camera, I would still go with the Canon 5D Mark III. But what autofocus system aligns with your style? Let me know down below. Also, if you're finding these tips helpful or useful, click that little red subscribe button down below. Moving on to features and flexibility. The 5D Mark III is like a Swiss Army knife for professionals. But the only thing with this camera is it's quite bulky and big, so it can make your arms ache or your wrist ache if you're holding it for a long period of time. Whereas the Canon 760D is more compact and it's better for on-the-go shooting and vlogging. But which camera resonates with you? Let me know your perspective down in the comments below. Real world testing. It's time to get real. I've taken both cameras out into the field, and now it's your turn. Pause this video if need be and examine each shot.
Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you.
Last but not least, let's consider the price. The 5D Mark III is a professional investment, while the 760D offers great value for enthusiasts. But where do you stand on the trade-off? Let me know your thoughts on the price down in the comments below. As we wrap up this comprehensive comparison, I want to express my gratitude for you participating in this discussion. And the choice between the Canon 5D Mark III and the 760D is a personal choice for your creative journey. So continue engaging in the comments and asking questions and sharing your camera experiences. And together we'll make the best decision. And if you found this video valuable, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing for more detailed discussions and photography tips and tricks. And of course, don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified on my next upload and updated with the community. And if you want to learn what the difference is between the 24-70 lens and the 24-105 lens, click this video right here.